Welcome to Quest Projects. This week is all about rainforests. You have 4 days to find a solution for the 6 problems we have.
Are you ready?
Project 1. You are a travel agent. Create a travel plan into rainforests.
On Friday you will have to
Present a plan. Convince audience to sign up for your tour. Project 2. Create a wearable that helps when you live in a rainforest.
On Friday you will have to
Wear your prototype. Explain why this needs to be worn in a rainforest. Project 3. Create a musical instrument that is played only with your feet and produces sounds of a rainforest.
On Friday you will have to demonstrate the musical instrument.
Play rainforest sounds with your feet. Project 4. Build a prototype of an automated vehicle that moves easily in a rainforest.
On Friday you will have to demonstrate the working model.
Explain how this vehicle is suited for a rainforest. Project 5.
Create a 3-minute stop-motion animation film that shows life in a rainforest. On Friday, you will have to screen your movie.
Project 6. Build a 3-dimensional prototype of a safe structure in a rainforest.
On Friday, you will have to demonstrate and explain why the structure is suited for a rainforest.
Good luck!